Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today in my long list of financial bad decisions, you add another one to that. And if you are under the age of 21 years old, stop, watch a cat video, talk to a female, smoke some legal stuff. It's good for you because being a car enthusiast is bad, it's just bad. Anyway, in my son's first birthday, I bought myself an R32 Skyline GTST, which I did a bunch of stuff, and I literally converted it from a project car to a road car, and on the way to a show car. See the series of videos over there. And November 26th is my son's second birthday. I just bought another one. Yeah, I did it again. The story with this car has been sitting for almost 5 years. It is registered in Ontario. The ownership and the paperwork is right over there. And again, it needs work. At least it doesn't need a full paint job as my last car. I'm hoping to save some money. But it certainly needs a hood right over here because some genius mentality decided to cut these two giant holes. At least these are symmetrical. So I think he was trying to put some sort of a hood or vent or something like that, which makes sense. And if you look in the fender side of it, they're aftermarket, they're fiberglass, and these are actually GTR fenders. The GTST fenders are flat, so they don't have the flared body. Luckily, the original fenders of the vehicle are inside, so I'm just going to have them swapped over here. The lights don't line up because of these fenders, and somebody had to stretch this aftermarket fiberglass bumper. So I think when I put the factory bumpers, fenders back, the lights will line up. I'm looking forward to that. The car's been sitting for a long time. Last night when I came to see the car, we tried starting it, and it started, it turned over, but it was dying because it felt like has this giant vacuum leak somewhere. So I'm gonna have to chase that. And the oil is probably 5 or 6 years old. Needs a new fresh set of oil, fresh set of gas. Let's see if I can make it run. Other than that, under the body, it looks pretty damn good. It is a GTST Type M, so it's the RB20 DET. In terms of the motor itself, let's see if I can lift it without cracking the windshield, because the hood is not connected. In terms of the motor itself, it is pretty stock. The engine bay has been painted and repainted, and then decided they're going to change the paint again. But the paint code is TH1, which is the blue. Very common color in these cars. The most common color is KH2, which is the metallic gray, and the second one is TH1. These are the common colors. A white R32 Skyline would be a very rare. If I do paint it, it's probably going to be white. We shall see. Overall, it is a straight body, except somebody decided to body slam right over here. We'll figure it out what we're gonna do. And if you notice my other Skyline, the fenders were all chewed up, and which it's not. Like, fenders are straight even on the other side. Let's try to see that. I don't know if you guys can see. Fenders are straight. It has the classic rear windshield weather stripping rot. As you can see my other videos, I will replace this and get it fixed. I can't show you guys what's under, but just take my word for it. The body is okay. I would say it's just as good as my other car. So it is the stock dash and 180,000 kilometers. The sticker over here says 134,000 kilometers, but usually in Japan they put these stickers when they swap dash. So one can argue if that kilometer is accurate to the body of the car, but as long as it runs and drives well, that's all it kind of matters. Has the classic bubbly dash. It needs a lot of interior pieces. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It needs a key because right now the cylinder is hanging and he hot wires it to start the car. This is not good. Not good. And what else? Momo shifter. That's this piece. Needs triple clutching for the reverse, but it's probably because all the fluid is sitting at the bottom. Needs some fresh fluid, needs to be driven. These trannies are reliable as long as you don't beat the shit out of them. Needs a roof liner. And I don't know why this piece is cut. We're gonna figure out if this is structural. I'm pretty sure it is structural, but we'll figure that out. No back seat, just like my other one. But this roof liner is going to be very dear.
That's one of mine.
Hey, I thought I'm the fat one who takes time, okay? You're not the fat one. Sure. All right. All right. Thanks. So,
The pictures, remember it. It's like I just took the pictures, remember it.
you know what? We're gonna take the hood off. Have to take the hood off because we don't have a hood latch, and we don't want shit flopping around. But it's a great time to see what's under here. The underbody looks good. I'm gonna say it looks just as good as what I had. The exhaust is a straight pipe. Yeah. No leaking, nothing. Hope you guys can see. No leaking. Let's go see the other side. It is a factory muffler or something like that, because it's a giant muffler. Is it a 3-inch exhaust all the way or 2.5?
I think it's 3-inch, the whole car.
Right? And even the muffler.
Yeah, it's 3-inch from
gotta be 3.
here back.
The muffler is a factory or? I think it's factory because it's pretty big.
Maybe they are. I don't know the car's not well. I know the exhaust has been changed. Definitely.
Yeah. Well, the downpipe is factory and then the middle piece is not. First thing, I'm gonna fix this.
Yeah. The sponge was missing.
Yeah.
See you there?
Yeah, see you there.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Thanks for the wrong room. But anyway, I'm gonna take a right. I had to make a quick stop. Pick up some cash for this truck driver. The car is in G-Town. Yay! Alright, I'm back in the car. I actually left his house and I'm in a different plaza trying to get my Timbs. The previous owner is a cool guy. He's a car guy too, but he's domestic, meaning he likes American vehicles. He has a Fox body, convertible Fox body with apparently 700 horse. We all know, and he might be watching this video. Without forced induction, you ain't getting 700 horse out of a Fox body. So we'll see. I hope you'll let me shoot your car one day because that's going to be very intriguing. And also, I requested him to come in front of the camera. He was a little camera shy, but anyway, this is personal preference. You know, we got to respect all of that. All right, so I'm not going to say how much I spent on it. For that, you need to watch the next upcoming videos where I will reveal how much I spent on it. But I guess that was the Christmas fund. So no more Christmas gift to my nieces and nephews. You fellas. Nothing for my wife. She got her birthday gift a couple of days ago, so it's okay. I think she's gonna be fine. But anyway, I don't know if it's gonna be a build or not. I don't know what am I doing with this car. All you need to know is I bought it cheap enough that it would be not so smart of me if I let this deal go. So that's why I bought it. Again, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to stay up to date with all the new shenanigans that's coming on my way.